how to send money from GCash to PayPal. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So you cannot directly send money from GCash account to PayPal account. However, you can transfer money from PayPal to GCash by linking your PayPal and GCash account. To link the account, you want to go ahead and log into your GCash app and then go to your profile section right over here and then simply tap on my linked account. And once you have tapped onto it, simply tap on PayPal. And once you have entered your PayPal email and password, log in through PayPal page that will be prompted and then click on authorize. Make sure that you are verified GCash user before attempting to link your PayPal account. You can do this by visiting Globe Store with valid government ID and completing your Know Your Customer KYC verification process, which is free. Now once you have done that, you can go ahead and convert your currency to peso. GCash only accepts money in pesos, so if your money in PayPal account is in another currency, you will have to convert that. And here's how you can do it. For that, go to your PayPal wallet and select More icon, and then you can go ahead and click on Convert Currency. Select the currency and enter the amount you would like to convert. And just like so, tap on Convert Now. And after you have done everything, you will then be able to transfer fund from PayPal to GCash. In order to do so, go ahead and simply tap on GCash dashboard, and then you want to go ahead and simply tap on Cash In. Just like so, simply select PayPal from here and then enter the amount you would like to transfer. Confirm your transaction via an OTP. You'll receive a notification via SMS and email once the transfer is completed. The transfer may take a few minutes to complete, and by following these steps, you can transfer funds from PayPal to GCash quickly and easily without having to wait for several days or pay high transfer fee. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.